have these bacon-flavored CBD treats I got at his groomers, and he likes them.
Do you eat them?
Can I get one?
Ew.
Oh my God! I mean,
Oh my
we'll
God.
eat them. Seriously, dude, can you give it to us? Yeah, let's smoke.
You're talking to a little bird, yeah. I'm in it.
Hey, I'm a little bird. Tell us a little bit about yourselves.
My name's Jada Bentley. I'm a creative director's assistant. And I live in LA from the Midwest.
I'm Avery Ruda, and I'm also from the Midwest, which is why we're friends. I live in
We're
LA.
friends.
I'm a writer, director, do tons of stuff, but
cool.
mostly film.
Yeah, we kind of do that too.
What brings you out to Venice?
Beach,
I'm guessing
relax,
birds.
chill for a little,
Chilling.
you know, start the weekend off right.
Sun.
Sun.
Yeah,
sun.
sun. Yeah, the brightness.
Sounds like you chicks are down here a lot.
Don't say chicks. It's women.
Used to be more.
Yeah. When I first moved to LA, Venice was my place.
It's like I don't want to live here,
Yeah.
but I want to visit Venice.
Yes.
If that makes sense.
Yes. Living here is a little wild.
I like her
There's a lot
laugh.
going on every
How do
day.
you feel about cannabis in Los Angeles?
I like it. Oh, that wasn't for me. I haven't been paying attention.
LA in general is very overstimulating. Like you are driving in traffic,
I
you're
fly.
texting, you have your social media, you have your job.
I
even if
relate.
you're home, even if you're home, yeah. And just the energy is like it's a lot. And I think for people to relax here in LA, like everyone I know, I think smokes or does partake in some CBD,
Yeah.
or whatever
Unless
it is
it
that
doesn't
they
agree
like.
with you, because
Unless it doesn't agree with your
Some people
body.
just don't like it,
And
yeah.
it's a way to just kind of like pull yourself back into yourself and just relax. Because
yeah,
you're not in a hurry.
overstimulation.
What do you like about the beach?
That's a good
Me, it's been
question.
an exploration, almost like an art, you know?
Yeah.
We live in this kind of medicine really helps to ground you. And we were actually talking about this earlier, just that
Sit.
there's so many
Sit.
different
Stay.
strands and
Don't
variations.
move.
And with it becoming legal, you get to explore more of what fits you as a person, you know,
Yeah.
because it is so subjective and your experience can be
Oh, we're birds.
different with all different kinds of cannabis. And as an artist, it's good to tap back
Oh, I
into
hear that.
space. I
That
think
creative
weed really
space,
helps.
yeah.
Yeah.
But being not in tune with your body, you are really not creative.
Yeah.
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 What do you think about
Oh,
cannabis
okay.
for canines and other
You
animals?
said
I'm very interested in
canine.
CBD for dogs. I feel like it's really
Oh,
useful.
Jupiter?
I can tell
Really?
instantly what I love because I take CBD, so I know the effects of it on the human body. And in small doses, it's really beneficial. I have these bacon-flavored CBD treats I got at his groomers, and he likes them.
Do you eat them?
Can I get one?
Ew.
Oh my God! I mean, we'll eat them. Seriously, dude, can you give it to us?
Seriously, I'm not kidding.
Specifically, but I know that he relaxes and he can calm down. I mean, as you can see, his attention is everywhere right here. And I know that's stressful for me. I'm sure it's stressful for him.
I too am feeling pretty stressed.
I'm pretty stressed out right now.
That's the goal, I think, though, when I give him CBD, is just like, relax, I got it. Dogs are like that. They
Will
want to be
you
on alert
stick
all the
around and
time.
talk to us some
You know?
more?
You're like, oh, you have a weed pen? Can we hit that?
Oh,
Yeah, let's stay. We'll smoke. We'll
Yeah.
talk a little more. Maybe you can.
Yeah, I want to ride him.
You have a saddle for this regal animal? That's a dog.
That's a dog?
You gotta be clucking me.
You gotta be clucking him.
Now that you mention it, yeah, I knew it was a dog. A very, very furry, giant